Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to demonstrate how to create a plus sign shaped object where using the center point rectangle and the trim tool. This is a radially symmetric object, so that you can see I've had fully constrained with only 2 dimensions, and that's because we have used equal constraints to provide symmetry in multiple directions. So let's go ahead and demonstrate how this works. First, we're going to go ahead and get our center point rectangle with shortcut key R on the keyboard. Click on the origin and create 2 crossing rectangles. The next thing we'll do is trim away the excess material or excess lines that we don't want, and then we're going to add our dimensions. So from the origin to the point here on the right, we're going to go ahead and make that 0.5. And from the origin to the top, we'll go ahead and make that 3. You can see at this point, we have some components are symmetric, but not all. So we have what's called lateral symmetry. So we have, or bilateral symmetry, we have symmetry going left-right, and we have symmetry going top-bottom. What we don't have is symmetry that is radiating around all sides, like a flower petal or a fan blade. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the equal constraint to make sure that our components that go around the system have their equal nature, as we said, like a flower petal or like flower petals or a fan blade. And there you have it. This design is fully constrained. I've trimmed away the extra using the trim tool, and we've made our rectangles using the center point rectangle tool. So good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.